Hello, welcome to another one of these videos. I have done some work on the paint application and just wanted to show it off. I think I'll do one of these every week so you can see a constant progress. So, it doesn't look quite right yet, but it will do. The menus actually look quite good, I think. They look pretty accurate. I'm going to show you some code in a moment, but for now I'll show you that we can resize it. The selected colour thing, it works. We can draw in different colours. We also have the bucket tool that works. I do have a bug to fix, which is the shape tool isn't working quite how we'd like, but, you know, we'll get there. I just thought I'd talk about the code for a moment. So the paint tool has gotten quite large because it does a few different things, but essentially what it is this is my draw segment, and in here we define the logic for each tool. So if it's a circle tool, then we do circle stuff. If it's square, we do the square stuff. It's very straightforward. Here's the line tool. The line tool isn't working quite how I want, but we'll get there. The eyedropper tool, I'll just show you that real quick. Now, for anyone who doesn't know what the eyedropper tool does, it essentially will tell you what colour something is, right? Or it tells you the exact colour of a pixel is a better way to put it. So I'm going to use the bucket to make the background red, and then we'll change the selected colour to green. Now this is the eyedropper tool here, and I haven't actually found the perfect image for it yet, so it's currently still a pencil, but let me show you how it works. Essentially it will tell you the exact colour of a pixel. So I've clicked and it's gone red. That's how the eyedropper tool works. To get these colours here, because these are the right colours, the exact correct shade, I opened an image of Windows 95 Paint in Photoshop and sat there with Photoshop's eyedropper tool, clicking each image, each colour, to get exactly the right shade of that colour. And you can see here, I've used the exact hex values for each colour. Let me now show you my paint window. So this is the menu bar here. So the menu bar is this part up here. I actually think this bit looks quite good. Now, not all of these functions work, some do, some don't, and some of them I can't implement just yet because they rely on other things. For example, I can't make the save function work until I've built the file system, and I can't make this about paint thing work until I've come up with some kind of web browser for this. So I will have to revisit the paint application in the future. And some of these do work, some of these buttons. For example, if I show you exit works. I'll show you where I bind it. It's just Windows 95 menu bar, and then for each item, on-click and then the function name. So just close window. I've reused a function from the X because it does the same thing. So these are just the rest of the menu items. This part of the code here is these buttons on the side here. And all they do is they fire off a function that activates the tool. It's very straightforward. And then this down here is just the palettes down the bottom. So just these. You know, it's nothing too fancy. You can resize it and it resizes well. You can push this up. It resizes quite well and you can drag it around, of course. So I still need to do most of this menu here and quite a bit of this one as well. I'm going to aim to post one of these videos every week, so I would suggest following the channel so that you can see all the latest updates. There'll definitely be at least one more video on this paint application because it's not quite there yet. But when it's done, I'm going to be doing the file system. And that'll be an interesting video because I've come up with a way that I should be able to install and run software on this thing. Now, someone in my comments actually suggested that I run DOSBox on this thing. So once the file system is done, there'll be a video of me running various different software on this system. As I said before, my aim is to play Doom on this, but I'll try DOSBox as well, just to keep this guy happy. The next video will undoubtedly be another one on the Paint application where I show you all of the menu features that I haven't yet added. So at the very least, the next video will show you all of these functions here working. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with it so far. I think it will get there soon. After the file system's done, I can then start looking at a lot of other things that I haven't done yet. For example, I started making the context menu before, but I can't really do too many things with it yet because I haven't actually got any files to play with. I think the thing I do directly after the file system will probably be command prompt.